Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman and you are watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, our topic is monthly prediction of August 2023 for all the Scorpio Ascendant people. In today's video, we will talk about how will be the month of August for all the Scorpio Ascendant people astrologically. First of all, we will talk about Sun. For all the Scorpio Ascendant people, Sun controls your 10th house, and right now Sun is moving in your 9th house in the sign of Cancer. Ninth house deal with your father, teachings of your father, your travel related matter, especially your long distance travel, your pilgrimage is seen from ninth house. Your higher studies means post grade education, your religious knowledge is seen from ninth house. Your mentors, your legal advisors, your lawyers, everyone to whom you take advice is seen from ninth house. So right now your 10th house Lord is moving in your ninth house. 10th house deal with your work environment, your nature of your work, authority at your work, your fame, your career. So we can expect you may have good result regarding your workplace in the month of August till 17th of August because Lord of work and Lord of authority and Lord of fame is moving in ninth house, and ninth house will be your luck also. So we can expect good result regarding your career related matters in the month of August, especially 17th of August. After 17th of August, when Sun will move to your 10th house, then we can also expect you may have good result regarding your work related matter, and you will have the more gains in the month of August after 17th of August because Sun will be in its own sign, in the sign of Leo, in your 10th house, and there are many planets are right now moving in your 10th house. Your ascendant lord, your 7th house lord, your 8th house lord, and your sixth house lord, means many planets are moving in your 10th house. So we can expect you may have good result regarding your work related matter in the month of August from Sun. But you need to be careful about your ego related matter because there is a one malefic aspect of Sun in 10th house is that because whenever Sun is moving in transit or in birth chart from 10th house, it will increase the ego of the person during that time. But right now Mercury and Venus and Mars, both the planets are moving in your Leo sign in the 10th house, and Leo sign is fire sign. So you can also expect you need to be careful regarding your arguments, your verbal fights, and your you need to be very careful regarding your verbal fights and arguments at the workplace and with your work colleagues. Also, your sixth house lord, sixth house will deal with conflicts, cases, court cases, litigation, hidden enemies. Also moving in your 10th house and taking Rahu's energy in your 10th house. So that's why we are saying after 17th of August, you need to be careful regarding your communication related matters, means your argument and your verbal fights at your workplace or with your work colleagues. So we can expect these results from Sun in the month of August for all the Scorpio Ascendant people. Now let's talk about Mercury. For all the Scorpio Ascendant people, Mercury controls your 11th house and your 8th house, and right now Mercury is moving in your 10th house in the sign of Leo. Eighth house deal with your sudden events, your sudden positive events, sudden negative events, your longevity, your in-laws related matters, your hidden secrets, your researches is seen from eighth house, unexpected gain of money seen from eighth house, income tax money is also seen from eighth house, your hidden activity, your hidden relationship, means your secret relationship, your extramarital affairs are also seen from eighth house. 11th house deal with your gains, your money, your incoming gains, means your earnings, your elder sibling, large organization, your friend circle, your professional network circle, your hopes and wishes are also seen from 11th house, and fulfillment of hopes and wishes is also seen from 11th house. So right now your 11th house lord and 8th house lord is moving in your 10th house. So we can expect you may have some gain related to work related matter and in your career because 8th house lord and 11th house lord is moving in your 10th house, and 8th house unexpected gains, and 11th house represent and 11th house also 8th house represent unexpected gain, and 11th house also represent gain. So we can expect you may have some good result, you may have some promotion, you may have some increment, and you may have some good focus regarding your work related matter. And also Mercury will turn into its retrograde motion in your 10th house on 24th August 2023. So when Mercury will turn into its retrograde motion, we can expect more positive result regarding your work related matters, your gain and your unexpected gains. But you need to be very careful, as we discussed previously in Sun section, about your communication skills, your argument, because Mercury generally represent communication and Sun represent ego, and Mars is also represent anger. So we can expect you may have good result regarding your work related matter. You will put a lot of effort in your work and you will get the revenue of that effort also. But as we discussed previously, you need to be careful about your arguments in the month of August, especially after 17th of August. So we can expect these results from all the Scorpio Ascendant people from Mercury. Now let's talk about Venus. For all the Scorpio Ascendant people, Venus controls your 12th house and your 7th house. And right now, Venus is moving in your 10th house in the sign of Leo. Venus right now is moving in its retrograde motion as we discussed previously in the month of July prediction. And Venus will stay retrograde till 3rd September 2023. Seventh house deal with your marriage, your relationships in journal, your business partnership, your business relationship, your how generally you will meet others is seen from seventh house, how good you are in meetings is seen from seventh house, how other perceive you when you will meet others is seen from seventh house, and your fame is also seen from seventh house along with 10th house. Your legal bindings mean commitment, signing a paper is seen from seventh house. 12th house deal with your losses, your expenses, your foreign settlement related matter, your spirituality, your isolation, your isolated places, your bedroom, your privacy, your private life, your sleep pattern is also seen from 12th house. So right now, your 12th house Lord and 7th house Lord moving in retrograde motion in 10th house. So we can expect you may have some gain related to foreign land in the month of August regarding your work related matter, or you will invest some money in the month of August because 7th house deal with business and 12th house deal with foreign settlement and foreign land related matter, and 10th house represent of your work. And right now Venus is in retrograde motion, and whenever any planet turn into its retrograde motion, its effect will be doubled. Either it was previously giving good result or bad result. So we can expect these is in the month of August from Venus for all the Scorpio ascendant people. But here one thing is very important to mention is that Ketu is moving in your 12th house from last year March 2022. And right now Ketu is forced you to move into isolation because Ketu represent isolation, and 12th house also represent isolation. And 12th house also represent isolation. 12th house is also deal with intuitions, and Ketu is also represent intuition. So we can expect your intuition will be high from last year March 2022 because Ketu is moving in your 12th house. But right now your 12th house Lord is moving in 10th house. So we can expect good result regarding your work related matters and your gains from foreign land in the month of August, also your business related matters. So we can expect these results from Venus in the month of August for all the Scorpio ascendant people. But you need to be very careful regarding your mother's health because Saturn is moving in your 4th house, and Saturn is a naturally malefic planet. Although Saturn in its own sign, but Ketu from its 12th house expecting from its 5th aspect to your Saturn. So we can expect you need to be careful regarding your mother's health, and you need to be take care a lot about your mother's health in the month of August and so on. So we can expect these results. Now let's talk about Moon. For all the Scorpio ascendant people, Moon controls your 9th house, and right now Moon is moving in your 5th house in the sign of Pisces. As we discussed previously in Sun section, 9th house deal with your father, teachings of your father, your grandparents, your religious related matters, your fortune, your luck, your long distance travel, your pilgrimage is also seen in 9th house. Your second marriage is also seen from 9th house. So right now your 9th house Lord is moving in your 5th house. The positions of planet you are watching on whiteboard, it's set according to 6th of August, and on the basis of 6th August we are predicting for whole month because Moon is very fast moving planet. Moon changes sign in 2.5 days. If we try to predict Moon in one video for every house, then video will get too lengthy and it will be very difficult for us to describe. But here we will try to make you understand how can you judge your Moon transit easily in your chart. So first of all, whenever Moon is moving near 6th, 8th and 12th house, during these days we can expect we may have some disturbance, issues and problem in our life because 6th, 8th and 12th house considered as naturally malefic house in astrology. Somehow problem, difficulties and issues are always associated with these houses. Second important thing to judge Moon transit is that whenever Moon is moving near any naturally malefic planet from any house, during these days also we can expect we may have some issues, problem and disturbance in our life. So that's the way to judge moon transit. But right now your ninth house lord is moving in your fifth house and sun is also moving in your ninth house. So we can expect, if you are trying for a second marriage during the month of August, we can expect great result regarding your second marriage related matter, because sun also controls your 10th house. 10th house deals with fame, and marriage is the kind of fame. But right now your ninth house lord is moving in your fifth house, and seventh house lord, which controls your marriage, is moving in your 10th house, and 10th house lord is moving in ninth house. So we can expect, if you are looking for second marriage in your life, so we can expect great result regarding your second marriage in the month of August, especially till 17th of August. So we can expect these results. Now let's talk about Mars. For all the Scorpio ascendant people, Mars is very important planet for you people, because Mars is your ascendant lord, and Mars control your sixth house. And right now Mars is moving in your 10th house in the sign of Leo. First house deal with you, your personality, your nature, and all the aspects of your life, your general health. Sixth house deal with your court case, litigation, argument, fights, hidden enemies, your loans, your debt, your daily routine is seen from sixth house. And right now, Rahu, Jupiter is moving in your sixth house. So we can expect you are facing many difficulties regarding your enemies, regarding your cases, regarding your competition. You have to deal with lot of argument and fight in your daily routine, because Rahu is moving in your sixth house from last year, March 2022. And also Rahu were creating disturbance in your marriage as well, because Rahu is present 12 from your seventh house, and 12th house from any house is considered as loss of that house. So we can expect you are facing many difficulties regarding your marriage related matters and arguments. Or also we can expect you are currently dealing with some disturbance, argument, or competition or court case in your life. But as we discussed previously, after 17th of August, when sun will move to your ninth house to your 10th house, then your 10th house will be strong, and your sixth house lord is moving in your 10th house, and Jupiter is also moving in 6th house and expecting from its fifth aspect to your 10th house. So we can expect after 17th of August, if you are dealing with any court case, litigation, competition, argument, we can expect positive result for you people after 17th of August. Thing will turn into your favor after 17th of August. So we can expect these results from all the planets in the month of August for all the Scorpio ascendant people. We will have three major astrological events in the month of August. First of all, as we discussed previously, Sun will move from your ninth house to your 10th house on 17th August to sign of Leo. Second major astrological event is that Mars will move from your 10th house to your 11th house in the sign of Virgo on 19th August 2023. Third and most important astrological event is that Mercury is about to turn into its retrograde motion in your 10th house on 24th August 2023. Rest all the planets like Saturn, Jupiter, Rahu, Ketu. We have described the results of these planets in our yearly prediction videos in detail. If you are interested to know the results of these planets for your ascendant for the whole year of 2023, then you can check my yearly prediction video and watch for your ascendant. I hope that video will prove helpful for you. Our today's video monthly prediction for the month of August 2023 for all the Scorpio ascendant ends here. I hope you will like this video and this video will prove helpful for you. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz. Take care.